Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So if you missed it on March 30th, I aired how to make sweet and sour ham for your Easter dinner. Now we're going to continue on, and I'm going to show you how to make candy yams and marshmallows. Yes, okay? So that you can definitely know how to prepare these items for your Easter dinner. So go ahead and watch the sweet and sour ham video from March 30th, and let's do this one, okay? Please give it a thumbs up. You can go ahead and do that now. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. I look forward to serving you. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Oh, I want to adjust my camera some. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so I have 3 medium-sized yams that I bought from the store. I already took the peeling off, so we're going to pick it up from this point, okay? So the only thing I'm going to do now is we're going to cut it. And one went to the floor. So I just cut it in half. Cut it in half again. And then we're going to cut 2 times. So we end up with 6 pieces, okay? Okay. I'm going to put them right in the pan. The pan I'm using, I already put olive oil in the pan. Throw that one out. Okay. Now let's cut the next one. Cut it once, twice. So in half. And then the half in half the long way, like so. And then once, twice. And then this one is I have no strength at the end of the day. Okay, I cut it in half. Okay. Then again, once, twice. That one's a little big, so I'm going to cut that one piece again. This was a big yam. Once, twice. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to put our ingredients on it. I have some cinnamon. I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon. Seasoning is your choice how much or little you want to use. Okay, I think that's about 2 tablespoons for me. Lemon juice. This is 100% lemon juice in the jar. And I'm going to put 3 capfuls. This is the cap that came off the juice. 3 of these. One, 2, 3. 3 capfuls. of lemon juice. Okay. Now we have brown sugar. You're going to use your hand. Just grab as much as you can with one hand. So that's 1 handful, 2 handfuls, and 3 handfuls. Okay. Let me wash my hand. Okay, and this is how many? I think it was a total of 6 tablespoons of butter. I melted it in the microwave. 6 tablespoons of butter. So you want to get a spoon and just drizzle it until you think you have it in all spots, and then you can pour it little by little. The butter is really what's gonna make this stand out. Okay, so I want to cover that. With aluminum foil. Let me put some water in that. Okay, so we're going to use a tablespoon for the water. 1 tablespoonful, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. That's all we need because it's going to make its own juice. Okay. And the reason why you're covering it with aluminum foil is because we want to lock in the steam, and that will help cook it faster. Towards the end, we're going to take the foil off. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the oven on 400 degrees until the yams are done. Like when you put a fork through, it goes through nice and smooth, and it's not hard or anything, okay? And if you're not sure, you can go ahead and taste a piece, and then that way you'll know for sure. Alright, so I'm going to put it in. My estimated time is about 30 minutes, give or take, okay? Alright, so I'll be right back with the word of the day for you. Thanks. The word of the day. The word of the day is dreams. Dreams. You know, maybe you have big dreams. Maybe you have small dreams. But nevertheless, they're your dreams. So be careful who you share your desires with, your dreams with, your hope with, because if the person is really kind of blindsided because they can't see that vision for you, they could crush your dreams. Be careful who you talk to about maybe your goals or your next plan that you have for life, because if they haven't been there, maybe they can't see it. But there is someone that you could talk to that could give you some words of wisdom, some comfort, some praises, and help you to make it to your dream. When I say help you, not necessarily financially, but morally, okay? And keeping your spirits up. That's very, very important. And maybe your dream is just to wake up today and do nothing. Hey, go for it. Okay, you don't have to discuss that with anyone, because that's a dream that can come true. And all dreams can come true if you desire. I don't care how hard the battle is. I don't care what obstacle you come against. All dreams are possible if you desire. Okay, you just have to work at it and get it done. Dreams. That's the word of the day. Thanks. Okay guys, our candy yams I just took out the oven have been cooking for 30 minutes. And they are not done yet, because when I take a fork and I stick in them, they're almost there. I would say another 15 minutes and we should be definitely tender all the way. So what you want to do now is take your spoon and the broth that's on the bottom, not the broth, but the juice from when we put the cinnamon and the brown sugar and the butter there. You're going to just take that and sort of like you're doing a turkey. You're going to just put the broth over each piece. One second. Okay. So we're just putting that juice right over the top of the yams. And when you do that, they're not going to look dry. They're going to look nice and shiny and moist. Okay, never stir them or anything like that, because if you do, they start breaking up into little pieces and then it doesn't look presentable. You want to leave it just the whole pieces just like we have it, alright? Okay, so now we're going to put it back in the oven just like that, no foil, for about another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to bring you back and we're going to pour off a little bit of the juice, the sweet yam, I'm calling it juice. Okay, yam preserve, how about that? Wrong word. But the juice that have created from the yams. We're going to pour a little off, because then we're going to put our marshmallows on the top. And we don't want our marshmallows sitting in the juice. We want the marshmallows right on the top, okay? Okay, so another 10 minutes on the cooking process and we'll be back. Thanks. Okay, our candy yams are out. That took a total of 40 minutes. And you can see the broth is pretty thick there. Okay, we're going to pour some of it off though into a container, because we want to put our marshmallows on the top. You want to leave a little for the bottom. You can save the broth if you like. Okay, so I want to show you. You see we got, I'm going to put it to the side so you can see. Just a little in that corner down here, right here. Okay? That's about how much you want to leave in there. Just so it doesn't burn, okay? Okay, so now we have some mini marshmallows we're going to use. So you want to have everything in the middle. Don't disturb it, just push it lightly. Then you're going to put the marshmallows right on the top. Until you cover all the candy yams. Now this is going to do two things. It's going to bring some sweetness to it, as well as a nice marshmallow taste. Imagine the marshmallows with the yams. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, now we're going to put it back in the oven until the marshmallows melt. They'll have a slight brownish color to them, and you'll definitely see them melted. Okay? Alright, so we'll be back. That's probably, I would say, 7 minutes for to do that. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. Marshmallow candy yams. Look at that. Yay! How about that, huh? Okay, I'm going to definitely taste it for you. Let me dish it up. Guys, I wanted to show you another display. Look at that. Oh, too good. Alright, let me taste for you. I'm going to adjust the camera. Okay, I have some. And by the way, the marshmallows made the juice even thicker. Okay? The bowl is hot. Oh my goodness. Just imagine that with the ham. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So good, so good. So let me give you a financial breakdown. The yams cost $2.50 for 3 medium-sized yams. They were pretty big. And the bag of marshmallows was on sale for 99 cents. So we're at $3.50 now, right? We put maybe about, I'd say 3/4 of a stick of butter. So the butter was 4 sticks for $2.99. So we'll just say another $1. Okay? So we're at $4.50. And then the only thing we added was some cinnamon and lemon juice, which was in the house. So under $5, you have some candy yams, marshmallow candy yams that people are gonna just rave about. This is for your Happy Easter. Another Happy Easter dish. Stay tuned for the rest, because you know I'm not finished, okay? Love you, love you, love you. Could you give this a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up? Would you share the video with everyone? Please help them get ready for Easter. Why not? Okay, it's free from you. And what a great treat. Okay, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.